Revolvers have become indispensable in the firearm market. They're known to be among the world's most powerful and reliable guns on the market. Their distinctive look and design appeal to many shooters. The biggest upside to revolvers is their versatility. They can be used for personal defense, competition shooting, hunting, and even everyday carry. Revolvers are slowly but surely changing and shaping the firearm market as we speak. In this video, we want to unveil the top 10 revolvers you didn't know you needed. But before we talk about that, we request that you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. Remember, a good revolver is one that doesn't rest until the target is on the ground. Let's show you those revolvers now. The second Taurus revolver on our list is the Taurus 905. This revolver is chambered in 9mm, which allows it to be utilized in widely available and affordable ammunition. One of the key features of the Taurus 905 is its use of Taurus' stellar clips for easy reloading. These moon clips allow you to quickly reload all 5 chambers of the revolver. The 905 is designed for concealed carry with a 2-inch barrel and a compact, lightweight frame. As for the price, this revolver costs just $350 to $550, which is a very small price compared to other revolvers on the list. When it comes to single-action revolvers, the Ruger Blackhawk takes the front desk. It's a classic single-action revolver manufactured by Sturm, Ruger & Co. since 1955. One unique feature of the Blackhawk is its convertible models, which come with 2 interchangeable cylinders that allow you to switch between different calibers. The Blackhawk's single-action design and adjustable sights have made it a sought-after choice for target shooting and hunting. It's also common in cowboy action shooting competitions where its classic appearance and reliable performance are highly valued. This revolver isn't that expensive too, coming between $500 to $800. The Colt Python is a legendary .357 Magnum revolver that has been highly sought after for decades. The Python was first introduced by Colt in 1955 and quickly gained traction for its exceptional accuracy, reliability, and smooth double-action trigger pull. The Python is known for its stainless steel frame and barrel, adjustable sight, and distinctive appearance. It's available in various barrel lengths from 2.5 inches to 8 inches, allowing you to choose the best configuration for your needs. While Colt discontinued the Python in 2005, in 2020, Colt reintroduced the Python with updates to the design and manufacturing process to improve reliability and performance. This gun is part of the high-end revolver, which costs around $1,500. If you're talking about a popularly unique and versatile revolver, then it's definitely the Taurus Judge. The Taurus Judge was first introduced in 2006 and has since been produced in a variety of models, including the original 5-shot and the Raging Judge, which can also fire the powerful .454 Castle cartridge. One of the key features of the Taurus Judge is its ability to fire 410 shot shells, a viable option for self-defense, home protection, and even small game hunting. The Judge's versatility has led some to even consider it as a potential concealed carry option, though its size and weight make it less suitable for everyday carry. The Judge is tailored for both .45 Colt and .410 bore shot shell ammunition, which allows it to serve as both a handgun and a short-barreled shotgun. It's priced around $400 to $600. The Webley MK VI was a service revolver adopted by the British military in 1955 during World War I. It was an evolution of the early Webley MK I and MK IV revolvers, which had been used since the late 19th century. The MK VI was chambered for the .455 Webley cartridge and used extensively during World War I and II. Many MK VI revolvers were later modified to accept the .45 ACP cartridge, which allows them to be used with more readily available ammunition. While the Webley MK VI is no longer in military service, it remains a highly sought-after collector's item among firearms lovers. It's lauded for its distinctive design with a large heavy frame and a unique top brake design that gives you easy reloading. This pistol is now priced between $400 to $700. Performance is a vital aspect for any revolver, for any gun in fact, and when it comes to performance, the Rhino Revolver 22DS doesn't disappoint. It boasts an innovative design that's both practical and stylish. With its distinctive low barrel placement, the 200DS efficiently reduces recoil and muzzle rise. Also, with its interchangeable barrels and grips, it can be customized to match whatever you want it to. Very versatile and reliable. If you want this revolver, you must know it doesn't come cheap because it's so strong that it can last you 2 lifetimes. It costs around $850 to $1,100 to get it off the market, but if you're willing to bet on it, it's something you'll be satisfied with. If you're looking for one of the most sturdy and reliable revolvers that has gained a reputation for being one of the best in its class, then it's the Ruger GP100. It was developed in the 1980s and is known for its rugged construction and impressive durability. This revolver has a heavy barrel and adjustable sights which provide exceptional accuracy and precision, making it a great choice for hunting. With its sleek lines and comfortable grip, this revolver looks as good as it performed and doesn't cost much. This revolver is sold for around $600 to $800, and compared to other revolvers, it's cheaper. Talking about a classic revolver with a rich history, it's the Nagant M1895. It's a unique revolver first developed in the late 19th century for the Russian military and quickly became indispensable in the world of firearms. The M1895 has a distinctive cylinder that moves forward to seal the gap between the cylinder and the barrel. It provides exceptional accuracy and power. Let's not forget that this revolver can be chambered in various calibers, the standard 7.62 by 38R and the more powerful 32 S&W long, perfect for multiple shooting applications. One of the best things about this revolver is that it doesn't come at a steep price. It costs just around $400 to $600 to purchase. When you talk about the most beautiful revolvers, then the Den Wesson Model 715 has to be on that list. But this stunning revolver is not only visually appealing, but also highly functional. With a unique barrel-to-frame design, the Model 715 provides exceptional accuracy and consistency, the kind of gun competition shooters adore. It has interchangeable barrels and various finishes, so you can tailor this revolver to your needs and preferences. If you're looking for a shorter barrel for concealed carry or a longer barrel for hunting, the Model 715 has you covered. But it comes at a fairly high cost because this revolver is sold for $1,000. Still, you'd be getting a top product from the leading manufacturer of revolvers, Wesson, with a reputation for quality and reliability. When buying a revolver, it's important to check whether it suits your specific needs. You don't want to splash money on a revolver you won't be using. And so, we'd like to hear from you. What are your thoughts on these revolvers? Let us know in the comments section down below. Remember to give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and share it with your friends and loved ones for the sake of their safety. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you again next time.